In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit like a pro and save you time by only this video.
Nice.
I've seen a lot of video edits missing these tips and tricks in CupCut. But wait, I can show you the best way to edit your videos. So there are 5 things we go and cover on this video. 1. Text movement. 2. Zoom in and out. 3. Object tracking. For masking objects. If you want to know number 5, watch till the video end.
So if you don't download CupCut, just go to your browser and search CupCut.com. Now it open. And here is the interface. Go down and just click this button. It automatically start downloading. It's only 2 megabit. Then install it.
So open CupCut and add text into your video. Go to color section and change the color that you like. I'm changing mine to black. And if you want to change your font style, go to font section and choose whatever you like. Here in font size section, you can adjust your text size. Now go down to position and size section. Then click the position and size center keyframe. This keyframe used to define specific attributes or properties of an element within a video clip or animation. Now place the timeline to the place where you want the change happen. Then go to the scale section and adjust it. As you can see, it give a keyframe automatically. So here's your changes. First, let's add a video clip. If you already have a clip, you can import it by click Import button. But if you don't have a clip, just go to Library and scroll down and click the Scenery option. Scroll again and choose this clip. Now go to Position and Size section. Then click the keyframe. Then move your timeline to the place that the change finish. Then go to the scale and adjust it. As you can see, it gives keyframe automatically. If you go backward, you see the changes. So now let's give the clip one more motion. Now cut the clip here. Go to the position and size section again. And click the keyframe button. Now move your timeline forward. To set the perfect angle, go to the scale bar and set it to 100. Now let's see our changes. Add a clip of something that are moving. Go to text section and add a text. Now go to your basic tab and edit your text. After editing your text, select the Text tab and go to click the Tracking section. Then click Motion Track. And make sure to enable these buttons. Now adjust the object. After adjusting the object, go to the tab and click the Start button. Now wait until it finished tracking. Now it finished tracking. Now let's see the result. First, let's add a video clip. Go to Library and click Trending. Then add these 2 clips. Now let's cut the first clip here. Then delete it the first part. Cut here to mask the object. Then go to the tab and click the mask option. Then choose Mirror. Now give the first part a keyframe, then move your timeline and decrease the visibility. Now it gives a keyframe automatically. Now for the second clip, set the timeline at the start. Go to Mask tab and choose Mirror again. Then decrease the visibility of the clip. Then give a keyframe to the first clip. Then move your timeline further and give a little bit of shadow. Then increase the visibility. Now let's see the result. Now add video clips. Then select the first clip and go to the tab and scroll down. Go to the blend section. And decrease the opacity. Then give a keyframe to the clip. Then move your timeline further to the middle. Then increase the opacity until it reaches 100%. Then it will give keyframe to the clip automatically. Now let's move to the second clip. Select the second clip, then go to the tab and choose Cutout section. Next, choose the Chroma key option, then specify the place by picking a color. After this, give 100% to the strength and 41% for shadow. Now add the second clip to the first clip. Then adjust the size and the place. So here is the result.